Do you want to know about WhatsApp new feature called Catalog? There is a new feature on WhatsApp which called Catalog. In this feature, you can collect all your products on in one place on your WhatsApp business, and also you can attach your website link to that product so that your customer or your customer can click on that link and go to that specific website and purchase your product. So what is catalog and how you can use it? For that, just open your WhatsApp business account and go to your tools. Once you are on your tools, you can see there is an option called catalog. This is the new option. You can see this now. Now click on catalog. When you click on catalog, now there is an option called add new item. So what you will do, just click on add new item, just click on add image. From gallery, just select any product. Let's suppose I have selected this. You can also upload more than one picture of your product. So just use all the images of your product. Simply give your product name, your product price, your product description, and simply click on more field. And now you can attach your website or your product link so that any customer can directly click on that link and they will be redirected to your specific website of that product. So simply attach link, item code if it have any, then click on simply save. When you click on save, your product will be saved in your catalog. So now you can see whenever any customer click on your WhatsApp business account, they will see this catalog. So they will click on it, and then directly when they click on any link, it will go redirect to your specific website and can purchase anything. So this is a new feature on WhatsApp. You can use it.